Low headroom airtight chain hoist. With an electric hoist trolley that can be used on various types of steel tracks. For example, bridge cranes, gantry cranes, etc. By default, trolley are compatible with I-beams. Low headroom electric hoists are suitable for lower factories, motors and related accessories such as metal covers. Using fine machining technology, the casing is dust-proof, explosion-proof and heat-resistant. The shell is made of high-quality cast iron. All the internal motors adopt pure copper motors with good heat dissipation. The self-brake is equipped with power-off protection. Effectively prevent equipment damage in unexpected situations. Upper or lower limit positioners are provided at the chain. Prevent improper manual operation. Cause electrical or mechanical damage, and the damage to the goods. Full meter G80 manganese steel alloy chain. High temperature heat treatment alloy hook. Both the upper and lower hooks are equipped with safety clips. In terms of structural design, it is reliable and stable. The electrical circuit uses aviation plugs and industrial-grade waterproof rubber wire sheaths. We can also customize wireless remote controls according to customer needs, so as to match various scenarios. With tonnage ranging from 1T to 50T, it is widely used in various hoisting scenarios. Lifting height including 1 meter to 20 meters. Supports standard customization. Henjiing special lifting, as a source factory with 30 years of production experience. Serve the world with traditional Chinese mechanical products.